Welcome to Earth Calling, SOS with your host, Earth Dr Reese Halter.
Welcome from Los Angeles, California. Spring came real early this year. As a matter of fact, in March, 15,000 temperature records were broken all over America. And bats have responded by producing twice as many female babies as males. Scientists believe this occurs because female bats are more likely to survive and then reproduce a year later. Bats are nature's awesome insectivores. Did you know that bats are the only mammals capable of flying? It takes a lot of energy for bats to fly. That's where eating lots of insects comes in handy. Bats use echolocation or sonar to locate their prey. One bat can consume 600 mosquitoes in an hour. Don't use insecticides or herbicides in your yard. These man-made poisons are badly harming our bats across America and around the globe. I'm Earth Dr Reese Halter, and I hear Earth calling SOS. Respond and protect our planet.